Alright everyone, welcome back to Luxury Car Repair. This week we have an Audi Q5 here with a bit of a damage on the wing, just on the body line there and where it meets the bumper and the moulding. So let's strip this car down and we'll go from there and see what kind of process we take. So let's go. Alright folks, so here we have the Audi Q3 quarter repair. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try and metal finish as much as I can. First things first, we'll get the paint off. I'll spray a black guy coat on it and that'll show me where those spots. I'm going to use a mixture of tools here, dollies, spoons, try and get this dent out. So let's get started. So I just want to show here, the paint is cracked there as you can clearly see, so this car will be getting painted. If it didn't get painted it would rust, and that's why you cannot PDR this car right now, because it's cracked. So moving on swiftly, we'll start repairing this car. And I'll take the paint off, put a bit of guy coat on it, sand it down again, and that will locate my low areas and we'll be able to pinpoint exactly where we need to get out. Okay, so what I'm going to try and do is get my dolly in behind here. Push this low area all out here. Crease all along here as well, a bit low here. So I'll try and pop that all out. And these tools here. I might also have So yeah, same again, get your high point of your dolly, get it into your low areas here, push it out and flip, and bring the panel out. See this little area here. I'll just speed this process up, but you know what I'm talking about. Usually I'll just use my dolly and my flip and my file, just keep getting them low areas out, give it a quick file and just keep repeating the process until I'm happy with it, and then go from there. I'm still going to put a light coat over it. Still see a little bit here. Don't want to pile too much more, so I'll put a nice light skim over here. Tie in the bumper and try and get the body line to match straight into the bumper, and then we're done. Right, so unfortunately I didn't get it in this wipe because there's a few little pinholes here, you can see. And I just want to correct a few areas, so I'm just going to put one more little light skim over it and hopefully we'll get it in that one. And I won't speed up this little sanding process here because I'll let you have a look in real time how I approach it. Hopefully it helps a few of you with your repairs. Right there it is, she's all finished. I just sanded the bumper, the flare. We have our body line runner nice in there. Nice gap between the fender and the bumper. Gap's all nice in here. So off for some primer now for this one. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Any questions, just hit me in the comments and I'll get back to you. And subscribe if you've not subscribed, please. Take it easy, guys.